You bought this house in Newzealand with an asking price of $789,000. Here's how much your mortgage will cost depending on if you put in a 10% deposit or a 20% deposit. So starting with 10%, you'd be putting in close to $79,000, and that means you'll be borrowing the remaining $710,000. With an interest rate of 5.5%, the repayment will be just over $900 per week. But if you put in a 20% deposit, which is double, around $156,000, you'll be borrowing a lot less, of around $630,000, which means your interest rate will be lower because you can get the special rates. So your interest rate will be about 4.89%, and that would make your weekly repayment around $767 per week, which is way cheaper. And that place has got 6 bedrooms, so maybe you can just rent them all out and get more than that. But if you were to rent it out as an investor property, you need a 30% deposit, which, depending on if that's coming from cash or from equity, would affect how much the repayment would be if it's 100% financed or only 70% financed.